So yo guys, do you know what cool things we are making here in this YouTube channel? And plus welcome to sourceboxtv, and I'm your host Sharvadva, and we will make our own game controller like PS01, and our game controller would be this one. And do you know what cool thing is that our game controller would have less than 1 millisecond response time, and you can think a lot how cool is this. So watch till out this video our end. And do you know big thing, our all source code and all files would be in description in hackster.io website. All the links are in description, so go and subscribe our channel now. So hi guys, we are here back, and this is our Arduino and breadboard, and we will need them in every other project. And this is our Arduino Uno. And do you know really good thing guys, we will make them close friends with help of these wires. And you will also need in this project with some resistors. We have used in this our project 10k or 1k resistor, but any resistor above 500 ohm would be really suitable. You will also then need some button on display. There are 4 buttons, but you will need only just 2 buttons to make gamepad. We have reduced button to ensure that there is less firing in the project, and we have also used tweezer. Furthermore, updates in this project would come near in future. Not telling this you in detail to shorten this video, but else you could understand. I will give you some details about everything. So now let's run our code. So this is our game Minecraft. Back we will just yes, let's do it back. If you click once, it would run 5 times a week, and if you stop somewhere, it would also stop. Like sometimes it happens 1 second delay because we are using Arduino Uno, and Arduino Uno sometimes is slowly because it is on 16 clock. So you could understand how cool this is. So if you want to share with your friends, share it now and tell me in description how this project is. See you guys in next video, and subscribe for more things. Bloopers coming up. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video and hit the bell icon. Bye guys, bye.